everyone, long time no see, forever and a day. Scooby Doo collection from Wet n Wild is still available on Amazon. If you have Prime, you get free shipping. And I believe if you don't have Prime, I think since it's over $25, it's free shipping, but I don't know. I'm using this right now. Feels good. So I decided to use the green and the pink one. Today I'm trying to be Daphne. So I'm using green and purple with a warm color in the contour area. Putting these glow in the dark, by the way. Alright, let's do that. So I put green on the inside, pink on the outside. So I'm using, where's the green? Right here, that lime green color. I've been wanting to do a video for a while, but something was always coming up and I wasn't able to do. And then on the outside, I'm going to put that purple color. Alright, so I put this purple one on the outside, that on the inner. I'm taking this orange color right here, because Daphne has like orangey hair, reddish hair, so I'm just gonna put that there. Now I'm going to take some of that brown to give it definition. And put that in the more inner crease. Because that orange alone is not going to cut it. And for the highlight brow bone color, I'm going to use that frosty color right there. It kind of has like a lime green tint to it. And then on the bottom, I'm taking the green liquid liner. And I'm putting that on the bottom inner corner. And then I'm going to take the pencil, the purple pencil, mechanical pencil, and just put that on the outer corner. The glitter. And put that in the innermost corner of the eyelid. I'm gonna use the purple blush. Okay, and that's hilarious. Going to use the redder one, for the lips. It's just a balm. It's not really like a lipstick. But it's got enough color for me. Alright, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used these two colors mixed as a highlight. The two lightest, frostiest colors in the palette. And you know, everything else you saw.